4 jurors, it could be 12, but if all of them tell the court, we made a final decision, we never went back, like the Bluford case, or to re-examine it. It was not an intermediate decision, it was a final decision. All of our impasse was about count 2 and the multiple lesser includeds. I am hopeful that the prosecution would join with us in not seeking a new trial if they were convinced by these jurors under oath to what they've not yet been convinced by, which is defense counsel. This was a hard-fought case, and I'm not being critical of the DA, but I've done this for a long time, and I believe in our system of justice. People say it's not perfect, but it's the best that the world has. This to me is hallowed ground in a courthouse named after someone who was a friend who I deeply respected. I want the prosecutor to get the facts in the best way we can at this point in the case, which is through your honor. Order a hearing, Judge. Don't make Ms. Reed be the first person in the history of the Commonwealth to face re-prosecution for murder by the same prosecutor's office that tried her once and failed to persuade the jury she was guilty. They've not given a single case where facts like this have been ignored. Not a single precedent have they raised. Nationwide, state courts, murder cases, 50 states, federal, where there's been this kind of demonstration that we were silent when we shouldn't be, but she was acquitted. They've got the Commonwealth versus Juvenile, where there was a verdict slip, nobody knows when it was written. We have Bluford, but there was clearly further jury deliberation after a juror told the judge that we have reached a decision on 2 counts. I'm convinced, perhaps through many years of doing this, that acquittals count. And if she was acquitted, nobody wants her re-prosecuted on the counts for which she's been acquitted. And form's important, procedure's important, but what's more important is substance. What's more important is to find out whether that jury, in fact, voted to acquit and it was a final vote. And then I hope there's no dispute. I hope Mr. Lally will stand up in front of you and join me in asking that those 2 charges not be re-prosecuted.